Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Thank you all for being a big supporter of our Patreon page. We really appreciate it. And for a special treat before Māori Language Week, I thought I'd go through our book Kōrero Māori Ai with you. Now hopefully that will help you to learn a few more vocab words in various parts of your lives. So the song is Kōrero Māori ai koe. So that's, do you speak Māori? And then it's I, yes, Kōrero Māori ai au I te kura. I speak Māori at school. And then we've got he tepu, he turu, he pukapuka, he pene rākau hoki. Those are probably words you already know. I te kura, kōrero Māori ai au. So that keeps going all the way through. So kōrero Māori ai koe. Do you speak Māori? I speak Māori in the playground. Papa tākaro, he reti reti, the slide, he tārere, the swing, he rua o ne pū, the sandpit, he pakitara piki toka hoki, the climbing wall. I speak te reo in the playground. And now, do you speak Māori? Yes, I speak Māori in the garden. So there's the butterfly, pūrere hua, bee, pea, huripara, wheelbarrow, and puti puti for flower. I speak Māori in the garden. So I did this book to encourage people to speak Māori in other places rather than just the classroom, because it's really important to use te reo Māori in lots of parts of our lives, particularly outdoors, because it can tend to be something that we just stick to the classroom or learning environment. But the way to get more fluent is to practice in different places. This one's a favourite one of mine. This is, do you speak Māori? Yes, I speak Māori in the car. So here's some words that you might not know. The seat belt, tātua, mirror, whakaata, map, mahere whenua, and steering wheel, wira urungi. I speak Māori in the car. Then this is I speak Māori on the farm. So there's some animal ones, and taiapa for fence. And I speak Māori at the beach. That's great, isn't it? Anga for shells, whare o ne pū for sandcastle, pōtai for hat, and pākete for bucket. What about speaking te reo in the supermarket? That would be a great thing. Wouldn't that be wonderful? We've got the word for shopping trolley here. You could do that this week when you're going shopping, and particularly if you've got children. Use the word kōneke, K-O-N-E-K-E, and there's a macron over the O, kōneke for trolley. And then there's hua whenua for vegetables, and hua rākau for fruit, and miraka for milk. This is about speaking te reo in the bush. That's a fabulous place to speak Māori language. It's all around you. Speaking te reo at the marae, and speaking te reo at home. Ārai curtains, aupuru cushion, rama light, and whakaahua, which is the photos. So, hopefully that will inspire you to speak lots of te reo this week, and thanks again for being a supporter of our page. Ka kite.